That first video sucked, but I cleaned it up. I made you a new charger, but I used your cable. And you'll still get this recharge battery because I did not replace the battery, but I charged it externally. But the battery seems to be holding up pretty well. But it probably does have lower capacity. And then ignore that. I had to take all the buttons off. I don't even know where they were. So I just put those in the least used buttons, and I put all the good buttons in the most used ones. But it's working well. So I put new capacitors in it, and I replaced the voltage regulator.